On foot, boys.
Dad, are we going to see one?
Stay close by my side.
I was born on a small island in the Black Sea. People say it's a dangerous place. There are bears and wolves and something else. Something people fear is much worse.
Your parents have offered you to this cause. They say, here, make something of my boy. Protect us. Save us. We are cursed with a wickedness.
The Ochi.
It's okay. I won't hurt you. Not like they say.
Yuri, what is this?
I'm taking him home.
Oh, here I go. It's coming for me through the trees. Help me, someone, help me, please.
She's been kidnapped. Let's go.
Take my shoes off.
You'll be torn apart. They can't be our pets.
He's my friend.
Yuri! I'm coming for you!
Stay close by my side. I can talk to you! I'm not asking you to understand.
Yuri, we're your family!